Hi there, now that you've received your sample kit, we can go ahead and open it up. Okay, and we're gonna take that out and we'll go ahead and take out all of these goodies. And I'll explain what everything is used for. So, first, you've got your little booklet. It has just a little bit of information in here. It also has a couple of step-by-step photos in case you need to, a few items that we have available. Just a little bit more about our chalk paste and ink, some surfaces, and also my information is right there on the back. Feel free to scan that or type any of these in. You can find me on Facebook. But anyways, there is that. Okay, so you have a chalk suede tag. It is a suede feeling cardstock, thick cardstock paper. This is your board eraser. We'll use that as we clean a little bit later. This is your mini squeegee. This is your paste packet. Here is your twine, and here is your transfer. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our paste packet and we're gonna knead it up a little bit. Now, what I prefer to do is I like to push all of the paste to the top part where the color is at, mainly because when we're done and we go to roll this up so you can save it for another time, you know what color it is, okay? So we're going to just cut a little snippet out of the corner. We'll use that in a second. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our transfer. Now these are silk screen adhesive transfers, okay? So they are going to be sticky. You can reuse them 10 to 12 times. What I like to do is I like to place it on a microfiber cloth and just pick it up, set it down a few times. If you don't have a microfiber cloth on you, you could just use your shirt. That will work as well, okay? So once I've done that, I can go ahead and line this up here on my tag. Looks good. Press that down. Now I'm going to just squeeze out just a little bit of paste. A little bit goes a long ways. And I'm just gonna put it on right onto the transfer. Okay, if you'd like to put it off to the side, like on maybe like a, what is it, like a foam plate or like a plastic plate or something like that, you can do that. Or maybe a piece of wax paper will work as well. Okay, so now our squeegee. Here's how I like to use my squeegee. I like to take my thumb, place it on this circle, and then I like to go thumb down and I like to spread just like you're spreading butter. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the paste and I'm gonna run it across our transfer here. If you need a little bit more paste, you're more than welcome to grab more. I do think we have just enough. And then you want to scrape off any excess. We did have a little bit of excess there. I'll just leave it here for now and clean it in a little bit. Don't wait too long to peel this up. As soon as you get it done, go ahead and begin to pull. I like to try and pull up a corner and then pull from the center. And now you have your item on there, okay? Or your design on there. Now, I like to just clean these with some water and with your board eraser. You can take it to the sink, spray it down with some water, wash it with the board eraser. That works just fine. And I won't do that on here, but yes, this is what you use to clean your transfer. And then once it's clean, you will just set it right back on your backer sheet, okay? So let me move that stuff aside for now. And you wanna let it dry. Once it's dry, then you can go ahead and attach your string on here. And you can attach it to a bag before you tie it. Oops. Ta-da. Okay. And there you go. Easy as that. If you have any questions, feel free, contact me. Again, my info is on the back of this paper. Feel free to send me an email if you'd like. At spoiledbybree@gmail.com, or send me a message on Facebook, okay? All right, enjoy.